Hey guys, welcome back to the second video in this series where we're building a YouTube Shorts channel completely from scratch, all the way to monetization and making real money. This is a fully transparent journey where I show you everything step by step. So let's check in on how the channel is doing. We gained 19 subscribers, not bad for the beginning. Now let's look at the views. It's nothing viral yet, but we hit 30,000 views, which is honestly a solid start. Now let's dive into the analytics. As you can see, after uploading 4 videos, I stopped posting for 10 days, which is a big mistake. Posting consistently is key, and ideally you should be uploading every single day. Unfortunately, I couldn't post during that time, but the good news is we were still getting views. I'll explain why in just a moment. If you want to go viral, you need to understand how the YouTube algorithm works. Let's take a closer look at one of the videos and check the engagement. Here, the view-through rate is around 73%. That means 73% of people who saw the video on their feed actually watched it, while 27% swiped away. That's decent, but ideally you want to aim for 80 to 90%. Retention rate is also super important. You want viewers to watch the entire video. The more they stay until the end, the better. This retention graph looks pretty flat, which is great. These two metrics, view-through rate and retention, are the key to going viral. If you nail both, your video will take off. Now let's go back to the views. You'll see we spiked to 16,000 views. Then it plateaued for about 5 days, and then we got another boost up to 30,000. That second boost is exactly why we kept getting views even when I wasn't posting. What we want to see next is another spike that takes us to 100,000 views and beyond. All right, now let's create another video. And let me give you some more tips. First tip, quality over quantity. In the beginning, focus on just one channel and post one high-quality video per day. Don't post 2 or 3 videos in one day right away. That can actually get your channel shadow banned. Make sure your clips are engaging, and especially the very first few seconds. That hook is everything. It needs to grab attention instantly. Second tip, consistency. Don't take breaks like I did. You need to post every single day to build momentum. If you stay consistent, the algorithm will reward you, and eventually you'll go viral. All right, that's it for today. If you're trying to grow your own YouTube Shorts channel, make sure to subscribe.